Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of the newest edition of the Denon AVR X4700H. This is a model 2020, latest model. All right, with the IMAX enhanced and the newest, the 8K UHD. All right. This is a $1,700 AVR, okay? All right. Now what comes in the box is, of course, a remote, a battery, power cable, the microphone, Odyssey microphone, quick starter guide, AM/FM antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, the tripod. All right, let's go. This is for the calibration of the sound, so you can get the most out of your AVR. All right, see those features right there? And it says you have to download the Denon app and the ES app, Denon app, so you don't need to use the physical remote. You can do it through your phone. All right. This is heavy. This is 9.2. Oh, that is the back side. See those channels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can use the other two, that number 9 and 10 speakers, if you have a separate power amp. Okay, and you have two subwoofers. All right, now, and this is the front side. Newest model, baby.